Hey Michelle, it's Sierra. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to create your own Outlook signature. The first thing you're going to want to do is pop over here to New Email. And once that's pulled up, you can see up here you have the signature option. You'll just choose Signatures. You're going to want to click New, and you can name it Bishop or whatever. I've been playing around with it, as you can see. And once you've created a new, you can choose from the fonts and like make your name bigger than the other font, or you can even make it like a signature like cursive or something if you wanted to. And then go down here and put your title. I'm going to email you a few images that you can copy and paste. So after title, you could use the UACCB logo and just do Control V, V as in violin, and it will paste that picture into this text box. Once you've added phone number, address, everything that you want to add in your personal profile picture at the bottom, you just come up here to New Messages and choose Bishop or whatever you name the signature. And if you want to use the same thing for your replies, you can click that, or you can hit none and hit OK, and then go back and create a different signature for replies. That's completely up to you. Like I like to use my really long one for new messages, but I have a quick reply one for just replies and forwards because it's just less space on the email. And then you can just hit OK, and it will automatically generate whatever you've put in that box now. I hope this helps. If you need any help at all, message me, call me. It's a pretty simple process, I think. It's just finding where you need to put the information in. Thanks so much, and bye-bye.